Well, I'm a nature guy. I love to be outside, and I'm pretty proud to work on a property nestled next to the Pacific Rim National Park in an ancient rainforest. It's just amazing to call that my workplace. My name is Johnny Rethmeier. I'm one of the technicians at the Wick Inn here in Tofino. Part of my job is also preventative maintenance to make sure that every item in our guest room is 100%, that the drawers are working, that no scratches are on the wooden surfaces, so we take care of that. But maintenance does the detailing job and make sure that everything is working and everything is running, and we really go into the room and detail it as much as possible. So the Salvaged Art Project was a collaboration between 8 different local artists and the Ocean Legacy Foundation. The main thing was that we raised awareness about ocean plastics and the impact that it has on our oceans. And what we did is we created art pieces with only ocean debris. It's called the flood because when you are on remote beaches, you see a flood of plastic lying around, and so we have a really flood of plastic in our oceans. Yeah, we have a nice little camper van. We spent 10 months in Germany building this thing, and then we shipped Woody, that's his name. We shipped Woody to Halifax from Germany, yeah, and then we drove it across Canada, and now we're here at the end of the road in Tofino. There was nowhere else to go, so we stayed, and we're happy ever since.